Does my bun look lopsided in that camera? I'm trying to looking at this. It just look lopsided. I'm not sure if it's just because of the, maybe because I'm looking up or what. But it don't look lopsided here.
Well, don't look up then. Just look into it.
Oh my goodness. Alright, jumping straight into this tutorial with clean hands. We're going to start off with Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser. Put it on the little scrubby and rub it all over your face. In order to have a good makeup tutorial, I cannot kid y'all. Y'all have to start off with a clean face. Oh my God. Woo. Pat it down, rub it down after you rinse it. Follow up with that Aloe Vera Gel as a toner. Rub it all over your face. Cotton ball, cotton pad, do whatever you gotta do, honey, and get it on there. Fan yourself. I do it because I'm bougie. Do it because you want to. Follow up with that moisturizer. Put it all over your face. I have to do it because I have eczema and I don't want dry skin. Following up with some sunscreen now. I only do this if I don't have SPF in my moisturizer. Now we have a clean, pretty face, and we have to get ready for this makeup tutorial. And we're going to start off with some Fenty Beauty primer. Now guys, this has to be like my favorite primer of all primers. Like, I love it so much. Like, look at me, I'm getting into it, soaking it all up. Yes ma'am. Doing way too much. But gonna use that Real Technique sponge, following up with that foundation by Fenty Beauty in the shade 420, and you're just gonna beat it all over your face. Break it down however you want to do it. Put it all over, and remember, this is medium coverage, not full coverage today. Even for those stubborn spots, even with medium coverage, you still gotta beat it down. And I mean, beat it down. But still, stay calm. And now we're starting with our concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Any other time I probably would use Fun, but we are not going big or go home today. This is just go to the park. You don't have to go back home. It's okay. So blend it in with that Real Technique sponge again, because it is not a beauty blender. It's a Real Technique sponge. A beauty blender is a brand. Blending some more with the True Beauty 106 brush. Professionally, I don't know what it's called, so I'm just going to call it a brush. Now this is a slanted brush we're using to contour our face in the True Complexion contour palette in the medium to dark shade. Now we're taking our spoolie brush in that Morphe brand and just brushing those eyebrows. We gotta brush all those hairs back so we can get them in place and in contact. Now I'm using the Eyebrow Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pomade in the shade 5. Notice I am outlining the brow first, the bottom and the top, and then I fill it in. I don't go back in with pomade because I don't like my brows to be so bold. Normally for a look like this I would just use a brow pencil, but I can't find mine, so you gotta make do with what does. Take that brow brush again and just brush it back, especially if you have it like too coated up, or if it's too bold for you, just brush it back, and boom, now you have 2 brows done. Go ahead and go in with that Control Freak Eyebrow Gel by NYX, and now you got 2 brows done, darling, and they not moving nowhere. Moving on with the eyes, you're gonna start off with your Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the original. Put it all over your eyes, light coverage because we're not doing a lot. In the Nubian by Juvia's palette, I'm using that shade as a transition shade. And you're just going to use a blending brush to go all over that eye. Going back in that palette with that deep chocolate shade, the chocolatest of that all. I'm putting on the outer corner of my eye. Notice I pat it down first and then blend it in. Less mess, ladies. Pat it down, then blend it. And then you're going to blend it in, also with a flat blending brush. Then we're going to take that lid cover, pat it down, swipe it down. Now, this is the part where I noticed I'm not really liking it. For me, I prefer my natural looks to be a little less shimmery. And I'm finger testing on the other eye and I see that I really don't like it. So, I go through all the way back and try to blend it in to make it a little less shiny. Going in that Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection in that color Reef. And I'm blending it in. And bam, I did it. And blending in some more because you can't hurt the blend. It got to be seamless like your hot girl panties. Now going in my mascara process is simple. I lied. So I do roll, vertical. And then I put some love to each eyelash. I do all of this with 3D mascara. And I use about 2 or 3 mascaras because I really hate using strips. So again, going through that process. Roll, vertical. Put some love to each lash. Oh, no. What? Oh my god. Oh no. That's my favorite palette. Oh my heart. Oh baby, just soak in there, baby. And moving on with my life. Perfect example. When you get down, get up, honey. Moving on with that blush in that MAC by, I said that so wrong. It's the shade Gentle by MAC. And putting that highlight on by ColourPop in the shade Most Necessary. Put it all over your face. My lips, I'm so tongue-tied. Going in that chapstick. And moving on with that NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Teddy. You can honestly stop here if you don't really like too much. But me, I'ma keep going. So, I move on with that lip gloss. You can do any lip gloss. Cheap, expensive. Me, I'm going straight to the beauty supply store and getting that lip gloss. And you want to keep on doing it until you could be featured on the lip gloss Lil Mama video, you know? And just keep on. Be extra with it. Make sure you summertime fine. Like when you coming out the house, yes, get all into it. And be extra with it. And that's the end of this look. Make sure you spray your setting spray. I forgot to show you all that. And I'm back so we can clean this face properly. Check out them lashes though. Yes, so now we're catching the end. It's nighttime. We gotta wash this face off. We do not go to bed with makeup on our face. Alright, now this is the part where I could lie to y'all and say I done had a long day, tired, working woman, boss motives, entrepreneur life, but nah, I I ain't do all of that. It's just a quick tutorial, honestly, guys. But starting out with that LouAna Coconut Oil, we are going to rub that oil. Oh, wait a minute. See, let me tell y'all, LouAna, straight message to y'all, make this bottle bigger. I don't have time to be stressing my life out trying to get all this stuff on my face. All right, rant over. But put this all over your face. You're going to look like greasy. Real greasy. Then you're going to take your makeup wipe to expose yourself. And I already cleansed my face with that Aveeno already again. Moving on. You see that I'm applying that Aloe Vera Gel. Now we're doing something new. Exfoliating our face in that Clinique exfoliation. And I really like this. It's real scrubby. You're going to get onto it. And now you have this pretty little face. It's all exfoliated and clean. And back in with that moisturizer, because I told you guys I do have eczema, so I'm always moisturizing, and the chapstick. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, participating. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back. All right, guys. Bye.